We decided to bring the seafood directly to the city. There is no middleman between it.
It started to Andheri East, where we were supplying fish to almost 200 people.
That benefited or helped them in two ways. They cash for a higher margin.
My name is Ganesh Nakwa. I'm the fisherman from Karanja, which is in Raigad. And I've been fishing since a very long time, since maybe 5 years old. From 21st of March, when the lockdown started, a lot of fish was thrown back into the sea, especially from my fishing village, Karanja Fishing Harbour, and Sasundog as well. And since then, we've been fighting with the government to make some policies which will help fishermen during the lockdown. It was 1st of April when we, along with my friends, Evelina from Ofish and Myron Mendes is my good friend. He works with INEC, which fights for the climate change. We decided to bring the seafood directly to the city, and it was started with 20 kgs for a start, and now we have reached 3000 kgs. Today we are delivering almost 3000 kgs of fish daily to B2C customers, B2B wholesalers, distributors, fish shops everywhere. And we are supporting almost 50 fishing boats and around 500 fishermen. That's a big number. More and more fishermen are getting registered with us.
When this whole lockdown happened, we got in touch with Ganesh, and we tried starting this whole process where he came to my place and we sold about 20 kgs of fish the first day, which was on the 2nd of April. And the fish was freshly caught. It had just come from the boats, and Ganesh came in his vehicle without any packing, planning or anything. It was just that we made people from the neighborhood come and buy fish from the car outside my building. And when he went back, I kept getting messages from the same people who bought fish. Is Ganesh coming back? Because there was no fish available, there was no meat available, there was absolutely nothing available except for dal and rice that people had hoarded because of the lockdown. And when I got these messages, I called Ganesh up and told him, Ganesh, there's fish, demand for fish. Would you be able to come and sell some more fish? And he's like, okay, chalo, let's do this one more time. And that's how it all started. And it started from my building, and it started to Andheri East for 1 month, where we were supplying fish to almost 200 people. Where he would come, stop the vehicle, they would come down, pick up the fish that was ordered by them, and he would move on to the next place.
What followed is that the ice supplying vendors closed, storehouses closed, the formal supply chain broke down, and this fishermen literally came back to the shores to find nobody. There's no buyers out in the market, and they were literally dumping fish out in the sea. And also where we come in is we help them sell their catch through our platform. So it's a tech platform which a fisherman can use very easily. And where we could leverage, where we could really use the technology that we have built in the last 1.5 years is offer this to the Maharashtrian fishing community. And even though the formal supply chain, the ports and harbors stopped working, even though when it stopped working, they could sell fish through our platform. We connected them directly to the consumers. That benefited or helped them in two ways. One is being able to sell their catch, of course, sell their catch for a higher margin because we cut through the entire dealer system, and also realize their money or the payment soon enough, which typically takes a week or even more than a week or even a month.
What fish we are delivering right now, there is no middleman between it. So it's benefiting everybody, and at the same time we're trying to be sustainable as we can. We're trying to educate consumer about basic concept things like not to eat strawberries in summer and mangoes in winter. Similarly, we are telling not to eat pomfret, surmai and ravas for the entire year. There are many number of species which are easily available locally, and those are really good fishes which people need to try and consume. So that's what Blue Catch and O-Fish we are trying to do together.
When this whole lockdown happened, we were, I think, one of the few people who were able to create a job space and income coming in for fishermen.
What we tried to do, we created a new system, we created a new supply chain when there was nobody present in that. We want to grow more. We want to reach every parts of the city, as well as we want to go to newer cities as well and try this module to work with other smaller fishermen across the country of India.